Welcome to the Big U app. This short video explains how to choose your sessions for Big U. Open the WebEx Events app. On the home screen of the Big U app, tap the agenda icon. This will open the session calendar. Tap on the sort icon to find sessions by technical level. This opens up a menu where you can sort sessions by technical level: advanced, moderate, non-technical, and general. Tap Done when finished. Tap the plus icon next to a session to add it to your personal agenda. You may choose to receive a reminder 15, 30, or 60 minutes before the session start time. Tap on a session title to view the details about each session. Use the back arrow key to return to the session calendar. Choose one session for each time slot. Don't forget to sign up for registration and lunch, the general sessions, including the panel and our keynote presentation, plus happy hour. Tap the My Agenda tab at the top to view your selections for the day. Tap the back arrow to return to the home screen. Thank you for choosing Big U. We will see you soon.